Hello, my name is Jennifer Narvaez and I'm going to talk about the differences between assessment and evaluation. Assessment and evaluation are close words, but they have some differences between them. So now I'm going to talk about the uses of each of these words. Okay, so assessment. Assessment is the process of gathering, interpreting, and sometimes recording and using information about students' responses to an educational task in order to provide the next learning step. So here we have some characteristics of assessment. Assessment is systematic because it goes step by step. Then we have that this is empirical, and two, it uses some explicit methodologies, and they are inherently tools for quantitative measurements. And at the end of assessment, we have evaluation. We have 4 types of assessment. The first is formative, next we have summative, then we have another 2 more that are self-assessment and peer assessment. So formative assessment refers to the observation which allow one to determine the degree to which students know or are able to perform a given task. On the other hand, summative assessment is usually carried out at the conclusion of a unit or units of instruction. Here we have some activities that we can use in this type of assessment. Now, evaluation. Evaluation lets us to gather information to make decisions. This evaluation is summative. It means that it is final and it happens at the end of a unit or at the end of the school year, and it judges the quality, sometimes mastery form of a test, and it's used as comparative tool to look at achievement between students. We have 2 types of evaluation that are quantitative or qualitative, so it means we have more options to evaluate the students. Now we can compare the differences between assessment and evaluation. As we said before, in assessment it's necessary to follow a process which ends with evaluation, and the evaluation is at the end, and it helps the students to gather all of the information that they learn in the semester or in the scholar year, and in the end they can do the evaluation and the teacher can understand if they achieve the goals. As conclusions, we can say that assessment is used in all the class and it determines educational strategies. On the other hand, evaluation is used at the end, and we can understand how students' performance during the year. And when we do this too, we can make decisions about how to teach or how the students learn better. Thank you.